Today I'm trying out this grill top pizza oven that I saw at Aldi's for $25. Place the pizza oven on your grill and then heat the grill. It says not to close the grill when you're heating the pizza oven. But I tried this for more than a half hour and it only went to 200 degrees. So I took my chances and closed the grill. So I was impatient. Once it hit 300 degrees, I put half of my Aldi's embellished pizza in the pizza oven. I didn't have a pizza peel, but I used the long cutting board that I have and a grill spatula. I cooked it for about 15 minutes and it came up to 550 degrees. That's so awesome. They say the secret to great pizza making is the high temps. But wow, that's really hot. I used grill gloves to get the pizza out of the oven. Ooh, and look at the bottom. It looks like real pizzeria pizza.
Is it worth it? It's pretty decent. It's worth the $25. So I say get it.